Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Thinking of giving your kitchen a fresh new look in 2024? Today, we're diving into the top 12 kitchen color trends that are setting the design world on fire this year. From timeless classics to bold, modern shades, these colors will elevate your space and make it truly stand out. Let's get started. Trend 1, Classic Whites with a Modern Edge. White kitchens are a perennial favorite for their timeless appeal. But in 2024, they're evolving. Think soft whites paired with modern accents like brass or matte black hardware. These subtle touches add depth and keep your space from looking too sterile. Trend 2, Earthy green tones for a natural look. Earthy greens like sage, moss, and olive are everywhere this year. They bring a calming, natural feel to your kitchen, making it feel fresh and inviting. Pair them with wooden elements and neutral tones to complete the organic look. Trend 3, Navy Blue Sophistication. Rich navy blue is a stunning choice for those who want sophistication with a modern edge. It pairs beautifully with light countertops and metallic accents, creating a high contrast look that's both dramatic and refined. Trend 4, Terracotta for warmth and charm. Terracotta hues are perfect for adding warmth and a cozy vibe to your kitchen. Whether it's walls, backsplash tiles, or decorative accents, this color brings a rustic charm reminiscent of Mediterranean villas. Trend 5, Elegant Charcoal Gray. Charcoal gray is ideal for those who love a modern, moody aesthetic. This shade works beautifully in sleek, minimalist designs, especially when paired with white marble or metallic accents. Trend 6, Soft Yellow for cheerful spaces. Want to infuse your kitchen with joy? Soft yellows are a top pick for 2024. They're cheerful and warm, perfect for creating a welcoming environment. Use them as a wall color or as an accent on cabinetry for a sunny vibe. Trend 7, Bold black kitchens for luxury. Matte black kitchens are the epitome of modern luxury. In 2024, this bold choice is elevated with contrasting metallic accents like gold or brass, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. Trend 8, blush pink for a soft and modern touch. Blush pink might not be the first color you think of for a kitchen, but it's trending in 2024 for its subtle charm. It works especially well as a backsplash or on accent walls to add a gentle, modern touch. Trend 9, breezy seafoam greens and blues. Seafoam greens and blues are perfect for creating a breezy, coastal-inspired look. These shades bring a sense of freshness and calmness, making them a top choice for modern and beach-style kitchens alike. Trend 10, neutral beige and taupe. Neutral tones like beige and taupe are back and better than ever in 2024. These shades are versatile and timeless, offering a clean, sophisticated look that complements any decor style. Trend 11, dramatic burgundy and wine tones. Rich burgundy and wine tones are ideal for creating a dramatic and elegant atmosphere. These colors work well on cabinetry or islands, especially when balanced with lighter tones like cream or white. Trend 12, vibrant two-tone combinations. Two-tone kitchens are a standout trend for 2024. Popular combinations include navy and white, sage green, and taupe, or even daring choices like black and mustard. This approach adds depth and visual interest to your kitchen. And there you have it, 12 stunning kitchen color trends that will dominate in 2024. Whether you're a fan of classic whites, moody grays, or bold blacks, there's a trend for every taste and style. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design inspiration. See you next time.